This is the home screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of AI features which you can use with this application here. You have the training option here at the top here, a lot of AI training features which you can use. You have the clothes transformation, hairstyle, a lot of them, guys. So let's say, for example, these ones here, let's say you want to try the background enhancer feature. All you have to do is pretty much upload an image, or if you're going to take a picture right away, you can just take a picture and upload that and it will pretty much do its work. Very, very simple. Do keep in mind you may need subscription for some of these features, if not all. So in this section here, you have a lot of other effects which you can use as well. Here you can have the movie set effects which you can use, but to get access or to use these movie effects, pretty much have to tap on the plus icon here and it will ask you to scan your face. So once you have done that, you pretty much will be automatically added to these effects and you'll be able to export and use them. But you're going to need a subscription. Same thing for all of the other Instagram story effects. You're going to need a subscription for most of these. Same thing for these here. You're going to need a subscription. But once you have scanned your face and everything, you'll be able to use all of these features and your face will be automatically added. So as you can see here, a lot of great effects which you can use. As you can see here, this one here. These ones are pretty much different, just require image. Some of them you may see image and some of them you may see video. So you may require different stuff for these. So do keep that in mind as well. There's a lot of AI and image generation which you can use with this application here, which is very crazy. And let me say, they're the trending one as well. So you just have to scroll and look for what you want. Once you have found what you want, for example, the Skyward example, all you have to do, if you have already scanned a face, that works, or you can just select the image and upload your photo. So here you just tap on select photo, go into your gallery, and it will swap that face swap basically. So it will swap the face of this and pretty much put yours. So that's how it works. And you can also swipe across to see other things related to this as well. So as you can see, you have 13 options. So if you look at the top, you'll be able to see which option you're at. I'm currently at option 3. If I do scroll across, I'll be able to see all the options as well. So at the top here, this is the amount of credits you're going to require for you to generate an image like this. Let me tell you, you don't get any free credits. So do keep that in mind. So once you tap on this at the top here, it will tell you how much credits you need. If it doesn't work or you're trying to tap on it and it doesn't allow you to tap on it, just go tap on here, profile icon, and tap on the Become Pro. So I don't know why they don't have the credit option where you can only get credits. I do not specifically know how much credit you get when you get a subscription. So do keep that in mind. And as you can see here, this is pretty much your subscription prices and everything. You do get a free trial option, but you have to enable this. So just tap on this here and you're pretty much good to go. So here you'll be able to get a 3 days free trial with this application here. And you do get a subscription price of $8 per week. So that's pretty much it. As it relates to the credits, I'm not sure how much credits you'll be getting for this application, whether you purchase a subscription. I don't see any option for you to purchase any credits. So I don't know much about that part, but for each of these features or even effects, you're going to need minimum of 50 credits. So do keep that in mind. But overall, it's a very good application once you get the subscription, and it does have a lot of crazy effects which you can use as well. So very good application. So if I miss anything at all, don't understand something, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.